Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure your iPhone is up to date and CarPlay is allowed in settings. This avoids connectivity issues later. Next, plug in an Apple-certified Lightning cable into the Sorento's USB port, or, if your model supports wireless CarPlay, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone. Once done, unlock the phone and look for the CarPlay prompt on the Kia's display. Accept it. This immediate confirmation starts the communication channel, so the head unit and phone can exchange apps and audio. Once CarPlay appears on the Sorento screen, you'll want to verify core apps like Maps, Phone, and Music work correctly. Tap each to confirm. Make sure to customize the app order from your iPhone settings' general CarPlay so frequently used apps are accessible without searching. Also set audio routing to the vehicle and test steering wheel media buttons and voice activation. These controls reduce distraction. If using navigation, input a destination and confirm turn-by-turn guidance loudness and map orientation for safe driving. To finish, you can safely end the CarPlay session by disconnecting the cable or using the Sorento's menu to exit CarPlay. This prevents abrupt app interruptions. If something goes wrong, first reboot your iPhone and the vehicle's infotainment system. Often this resolves handshake errors. Make sure to try a different MFI Lightning cable and verify CarPlay is not restricted under screen time or do not disturb while driving. If problems persist, a factory infotainment reset or dealer software update is the last step to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.